Okay, Assalamu alaikum. In front of you, I have a right angle triangle in front of you. And let's say I just name these sides of the triangle as this one as A, this one as B, and this one as C. And if I write some expression, I'm making an expression A plus B equal to C. Well, we don't have any theorem regarding that, whether it is true or not, but we do have something missing in this equation. And what are these? Squares, obviously. So when we say a square plus b square equal to c squared. Okay? So how do you visualize these a square plus b square equal to c square? You know that if, for example, A is equal to 3 and B is equal to, I might say, as 5, let's say. Okay? And if you square that, you get 9. Add these two numbers, we get something what is called as 36. Okay? But what does it mean that 3 square is 9? So if I visualize it, it means that when you square or when you turn this line into a square, and what is square? A square has a figure, or a square is a figure, a square is a figure basically which has an equal sides, right? And I just make a figure real, like if I want to convert this line into square, like this and like this. Sorry. So this is turning into a square. Similarly for this, I'm also converting it into a square. Right. Okay. So I'm turning this into a square. And whatever the area we have in it is equal to 9. And what if the area we have into it, we say it's area for A, and we say it 25, whatever the area we have. And when they were just lines, they have 3 and 5 dimensions like this, okay? They have number sides length like this. And when we add these two areas, A1 and A2, this one is A1 and this one is A2. Area of the side C, we get a square which is of an area 36 in this situation, and it's basically the square of the third side of the triangle. Okay, it is basically this 36 number in this particular equation. In this particular equation, it is the square of this side, the third side of the triangle, which we basically, as I told you in the previous video, it is called hypotenuse. And this all which I'm telling you over here is Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Okay, tell me in the next video what do you want me to next explain to you. I would surely try to explain it in a very simple way. Thank you.